Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these DIY seashell earrings. I think they turned out really well and they're actually really easy to make. So let's get into the tutorial. Of course you will need your shells and some earring hooks. Then I also used some white paint and some gold nail polish and some clear nail polish for a cover layer. You will also need some pliers and some beads to decorate. Now to punch the hole you will need some kind of surface that you can punch into. Just lay the shell on top of there and take a strong needle and just push it into the shell. You will only need like a really little bit of force for this, so don't push too hard. And when you have the hole, you can just use your needle and turn it around to make the hole bigger, like I'm doing right now. To paint, I just took my white paint and a little brush and just gave the entire shell a good layer of paint. If you don't have any paint, you could also just use white nail polish to do this. It's just as easy. For my other shells, I took some gold nail polish and covered it in an entire layer. Of course, you could also just use gold paint for it, or just any other color you'd like. I first covered my biggest shells with white paint, and now I'm using my gold nail polish to make the edges gold. Then I took my clear nail polish and just covered all the shells with a thick layer of it, just to make them a little bit stronger and to give them a nice shiny look. Adding the earring hooks is pretty straightforward. Just use your pliers to open up the hooks and slide them through the hole in the shells, and then close them again. to decorate these earrings a little bit further by adding some white and clear beads to them. I decided to keep the gold earrings really simple and just add some earring hooks to them. For the biggest ones, I decided to add an extra part to make them longer and add some beads. So you can see how I'm doing that. I just decided to keep it a little bit simple and just add white and gold beads, alternating them. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, I would really appreciate it, and subscribe for more of these kind of videos. Okay, bye!